Welcome to Friends at Preparation YouTube channel. In this video I will discuss current affair MCQ. You can use this video as competition preparation booster for your current affair portion of your examination. Let's start with the first question. Consider the following statement. Real-time gross settlement is an 24/7 online fund transfer method. United Payment Interface System merges multi-bank account into a single mobile application of any particular participating bank. Under Aadhaar enabled payment system, bank details are not required for fund transfer. Which of the statements given above are not correct? Your options are A 1 and 2 only, B 1 only, C 2 only, D 2 and 3 only. The correct answer is B 1 only. RTGS is an electronic fund transfer method through which money is sent on a real-time basis without any delay. RTGS is not a 24/7 facility and is available only during working hour of bank. Hence, statement 1 is not correct. UPI is the system that powers multi-bank accounts into a single mobile application, merging several banking features, seamless fund routing and merchant payment into one hood. Hence, statement 2 is correct. AEPS allow people to carry out financial transaction on a micro ATM by furnishing just their Aadhaar number and verifying it with the help of the fingerprint scan. Under the bank detail are not longer required to carry our transactions. Hence, statement 3 is correct. Consider the following statement with reference to Organization of Islamic Cooperation. It is the second largest intergovernmental organization in the world. India is a member of OIC. Which of the statements given above are correct? Your options are A 1 only, B 2 only, C both 1 and 2, D neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer is A 1 only. The Organization of Islamic Cooperation OIC is the second largest intergovernmental organization after the United Nations with a membership of 57 states. Hence, statement 1 is correct. With reference to the active galactic nuclei, consider the following statements. These are the formed when gravitational energy of the material which are being pulled towards the black hole is converted into light. Blazar and quasars are the Asian but radio galaxies are not. Which of the statements given above are correct? Your options are A 1 only, B 2 only, C both 1 and 2, D neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer is A 1 only. At the center of most galaxies there is a massive black hole with a huge mass, accumulating gas, dust and settled debris around it. Active galactic nuclei is the formed where the gravitational energy of these material being pulled towards a black hole is converted into light. Hence, statement 1 is correct. Consider the following pairs, tradition and states. Mudiyattu belongs to Manipur, Sankirtana belongs to Kerala, Kalbelia belongs to Rajasthan. Which of the pair given above are correctly matched? Your options are A 1 and 2 only, B 2 and 3 only, C 3 only, D 1, 2 and 3. The correct answer is C 3 only. Mudiyattu is the ritual theatre and dance drama of Kerala. Hence, statement 1 is not correctly matched. Sankirtana is a ritual singing, drumming and dancing of Manipur. Hence, statement 2 is not correctly matched. Kalbelia referred to a folk dance of Rajasthan. Hence, statement 3 is correctly matched. With reference to the geographical indication status, consider the following statements. GI is used to identify goods having special characteristics originating from the definite geographical territory. It is administered by the Controller General of Patent, Design, Trade Market under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. In India, the registration of GI is valid for a period of 15 years. Which of the statements given above are correct? Your options are A, 1 only, B, 1 and 2 only, C, 1 and 3 only, D, 2 and 3 only. The correct answer is B, 1 and 2 only. Geographical indication is an indication used to identify goods having special characteristics or originating from a definite geographical territory. Hence, statement 1 is correct. The Geographical Indication of Goods Act 1999 seeks to provide a registration and better protection of geographical indication relating to goods in India. The Act is administered by the Controller General of Patent, Design and Trademark under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Hence, statement 2 is correct. The registration of a geographical indication is valid for a period of 10 years. It can be renewed from the time to time for the further period of 10 years each. Hence, statement 3 is not correct. Do comment with your suggestion to improve the quality of the video. Thanks for watching.